Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever freaked out over finding a gray hair way earlier than expected? Trust me, it happens to the best of us. Today, we're going deep into the world of premature graying. What causes it? Debunking myths and exploring some natural remedies that might just save the day. Let's kick things off by uncovering the real deal behind premature graying. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just stress or a sudden scare that turns your locks silver overnight. Nope, science points fingers at a decrease in melanin, the magic pigment responsible for our hair's color. We blame it on genetics, hormonal shifts, lacking nutrients, or certain health conditions. Now here's a myth we've got to bust. Ever heard that plucking a gray hair will make two more pop up in its place? Your hair follicles work one hair at a time. Plucking won't sprout an army of grays, but it might mess with your follicles, leading to hair loss or worse, infections. But fear not, because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs on natural remedies. Forget those harsh chemical dyes. We are talking about Ayurveda. Ever heard of Bhringraj? This herb's a game changer, rumored to bring back the glory days of your hair. Then there's shikakai, the OG natural cleanser loved by generations. Plus, who knew gourd and amla could be hair superheroes? Meet our hero, Kalika hair oil, your go-to solution for those premature grays. Packed with natural wonders like amla, Bhringraj, shikakai and hibiscus, it's your ticket to healthier and darker hair naturally. No more fussing with chemical dyes or tricky DIY methods. Kalika hair oil is free from harmful chemicals, offering a safe, natural way to bid farewell to premature grays. Conveniently packaged in a 150 ml bottle, it suits all hair types and is great for both men and women. But we are not just promising, we are delivering. Witness the magic as Kalika hair oil restores natural color, prevents graying, and gives your hair the nourishment it craves. Our special blend of Mendhi leaf, castor oil, gourd, Babchi and more. Looking for naturally darker hair without the chemicals? Kalika hair oil, rated one of the best for gray hair oil, is your answer. Our hair oil is 100% Ayurvedic and made with care. Experience the Ayurvedic magic and transform your hair today.